Hey everybody. Well, you read the title, so let's get on with it. This is the unboxing for the SIMAGIC DS-8X Sequential Shifter and H-Pattern Shifter all in one. I picked this up at my local micro center, just like I did with the direct drive. And thank you for everybody who commented or appreciated the last video on the unboxing. Really appreciate it. Hopefully you like this, or it's along the same lines. But yeah, anyways, let's get on with this. So yeah, I picked this up at the micro center, like I picked up the direct drive. This was $370 or $369.99. I don't know, it's goofy why they always advertise like that. It's $9.99. Like, we know it's $10. Just make it whatever. People and psychology behind marketing is weird. Back to marketing and the unboxing. So we opened up the box. There was no like sticker or no like slice open piece of tape to cut the box open, which is weird. And then the second you open it, that's what you got. You got some stickers, you got the stuff inside. And here we go, guys and gals. We actually have like a quick start guide. I am like relieved to see this, but there is no warranty guide. There is no warranty manual with this. But yeah, I am super relieved to see that there is at least a quick start manual with this, even though there is no warranty card or whatever other kind of like, bonus pamphlets might be in it. But yeah, you get one side in English here and the other side in Chinese or Mandarin. I don't know. I'm sorry if I butchered it for somebody. It could be Korean. It could be something weird. So you get some cool stickers. You get a quick start guide, and then let's get into the box. Also, yeah, they just had the security tag on this at Micro Center. No sticker to cut the box open. It makes me wonder if people are looking inside these sometimes. So yeah, we get our little piece of foam plastic there out of the way, and then let's just go right into the baggies. First baggie, just data cable. Looked like that was it. Nothing crazy to it. Plug and play, right? Second baggie is a bolt kit, nut and bolts, and we get some Allen wrenches. Looks like some of the M8 hardware for your race rigs and all the other stuff. There is right there what exactly comes in the bag, plus some like ball bearing things. I'm not exactly sure what those are for. I'm guessing they're detent stuff to hold in the the nut drives, the nut zerks, or whatever people call those. Sorry, call me ignorant again. I'm not exactly technical with all these things, so even though I should be, right? I should really like be serious and thoughtful on all the things I say here. I don't care. Hopefully you guys don't care or grill me as much on it, but there you guys go. That's it. There was like 4 things in this box, and that's pretty much it. You get a big unit there. There's not much else to change or adjust on it. So you get one big lever on the side for sequential mode or H-pattern mode. And then, yeah, even me just trying to adjust it and shift it here, it's pretty tight. It feels good. It feels solid. The shifter itself, the knob was loose, so you can see that. You can play with the reverse handle there, but yeah, even in trying to move the sequential stuff just by hand, it felt good. It felt like there was quality behind it. And I don't know if anybody cares to check out what's behind the foam, but there you go. There is nothing underneath the foam behind the box. And I figured somebody was going to grill me about it for the direct drive part, but I'm doing it now to make sure I cover all my bases. So yeah, that about does it, folks. That's the whole SIMAGIC DS-8X Shifter unboxing. Damn, that's a mouthful. But yeah, there's not much to it. Wait, am I actually forgetting something? That's right, I am. I forgot to put it on the scale for y'all. I know you guys are going to want to probably know how much this thing weighs. Well, obviously it weighs 0 pounds right now. This thing breaks the laws of physics. No, you heard me say it in the SIMAGIC Alpha video. I hate these stupid digital scales, so I'm going to have to pull out the dirty, dingy one here in a second. Yeah, other than that, though, this shifter is solid. It has a tension adjuster. That's what that little Allen head cap is on the one side opposite of the cable. It has a lever to switch it from sequential to H pattern, and this thing weighs about 5 pounds. Oh wait, my scale is old and dirty and dingy. Let me try to adjust this thing at something like, okay, it's close enough to 0. So is it? I think, yeah, it's about 5 pounds. You guys can split hairs there if you want to in the comments. I don't care. But that is now officially it for this. If you guys want to review, stay tuned in the future. I got some reviews coming up on other stuff, SIMAGIC, sim racing stuff. We'll see you soon. Let's see what happens.